In response to the claim that atheists rely on natural explanations supported by evidence, intelligent design, ID, offers a compelling counter-narrative grounded in scientific observation and logical reasoning. While atheists argue that the universe's origins and the complexity of life can be explained through natural mechanisms, ID challenges these assertions by highlighting the limitations and gaps in those explanations, offering instead the proposition that certain features of the universe and living things are best explained by an intelligent cause. 1. The limits of naturalism and abiogenesis. Atheists often claim that life arose naturally from non-living matter through chemical processes, yet no empirical evidence has definitively demonstrated how life emerged from inanimate matter, abiogenesis. Despite extensive research, science has yet to replicate or fully explain this process. This suggests that the naturalistic framework for explaining life's origin is incomplete. ID argues that the complexity of even the simplest cells, including the information-rich DNA that governs biological functions, is better explained by a purposeful design than by chance interactions of molecules. The precise, organized structure of life points to a mind behind the mechanisms. 2. Fine-tuning of the universe. The claim that atheists rely on quantum fluctuations and the Big Bang as non-magical explanations also faces challenges. Cosmologists recognize that the universe exhibits fine-tuning, the precise values of fundamental physical constants, e.g., gravitational force, the cosmological constant, allow for the existence of life. The odds of these constants randomly taking life-permitting values are infinitesimally small. ID posits that this fine-tuning suggests intentional calibration by a designer, while naturalistic models struggle to explain why the universe's parameters fall within such narrow, life-sustaining ranges. 3. Complexity of evolution. While evolution is often presented as a purely natural process that explains the diversity of life, ID questions whether undirected mechanisms like natural selection and random mutation are sufficient to account for the complexity of biological systems. For instance, the existence of irreducibly complex systems, such as the bacterial flagellum, which requires all of its parts to function, suggests that certain biological structures could not have evolved through gradual step-by-step processes. ID maintains that such systems are better explained by a designer who engineered them to function in specific ways. 4. Consciousness and morality. Atheists assert that morality and consciousness arise from material processes in the brain, yet this explanation is far from comprehensive. Consciousness, in particular, eludes full scientific explanation. How do subjective experiences and self-awareness emerge from purely physical brain processes? Furthermore, the existence of objective moral values, such as the inherent wrongness of murder, implies a moral lawgiver. ID offers a coherent explanation by suggesting that these immaterial aspects of human life point to a designer who endowed humans with consciousness and moral awareness, rather than these traits being accidental byproducts of evolution. 5. The burden of proof and supernaturalism. Critics of ID often claim that positing an intelligent designer is a leap of faith, akin to belief in the supernatural without evidence. However, ID is not an appeal to supernaturalism, but an inference to the best explanation. The intricate order, purpose, and complexity observed in the natural world suggest intentionality behind the design. Rather than replacing science, ID seeks to augment scientific inquiry by offering a framework that better accounts for the observed data when purely naturalistic explanations fall short. In conclusion, intelligent design provides a rational, evidence-based response to the limitations of atheistic naturalism. It challenges the notion that scientific theories like evolution, abiogenesis, and the Big Bang offer complete explanations for the universe and life's complexity. By focusing on the observable patterns of design in nature, ID argues that an intelligent cause is not only plausible, but scientifically and logically compelling. Please like and subscribe.